am here to share with you my best moments at Helux. My name is Vinod and I am the Area Director of Helux International Private Limited, taking care of Gujarat area. With 90 plus branches across India, Gujarat area has 3 branches in Ahmedabad at Bhopal, Naurangpura and Gota. Basically, I am a native of Kerala, but brought up at Mumbai with all education and career building happening at Mumbai. I am a commerce graduate, having done my post-graduation diploma in management studies from Mumbai University, and my highest qualification is MBA Finance. I have a very supportive wife, Preeta, who is my pillar of strength and who is part of this organization, Helux, in the capacity of branch director. I have 2 children, Anushka, who is in her second year BCom, and son Abhinand, who just appeared for his 10th standard CBSE exams. My overall work experience is 33 years, of which 28 years of my working career has been spent in the field of finance and accounts. I have worked for MNCs like Alpic, Zenta and Accenture, and my last stint was in a Nigerian company in the capacity of Group Senior Manager of Finance and Accounts before joining Helux. I have been a part of this organization since October 2015, that is almost 4.5 years. A turning point in my life is the reason for switching over from finance field to sales and marketing, and I am indebted to God Almighty, my family, my brothers, sisters, relatives, friends and well-wishers for this second lease of life after having suffered a major heart attack and undergone 2 angioplasties thereafter. We all know that only when there is health, there is happiness. But when there is health issue, there can only be compromise. And when this happens, the family members compromises their likes and dislikes for the patient in the family, as doctors impose restrictions on many food and advises zero oil consumption. This is when we learnt about Helux cookware and its fatless and waterless cooking features through a live cooking, and it was an instant decision to go for it. Today, I and family are enjoying a healthy diet with full nutrition in the food without any compromise. Being a heart patient, my regular 6 monthly checkups are also showing good results. I am thankful to Mr. Jairam and Mrs. Ranjana for introducing us a healthy cookware and also providing us an opportunity to be a part of Helux. My entry into Helux was basically with an aim to provide a healthy cooking system to my relatives, friends, etc. But without much hardships, unknowingly and in no time, I started growing. I was really inspired by our MD, Mr. David Stanley's vision of providing health in every household through a healthy cooking system, and today I have made it my mission. So let me take you through my journey in Helux and share some of my best moments at Helux. My first best moment at Helux is receiving the All India Platinum Champion Award number 1 3 times in a row. The first time I made it to the victory stand and stood first on the dais in the team manager category was in July 2016 during the Rising Stars ceremony held at a 5-star resort, Clarks Exotica, Bangalore. The second time was during the first Club Royal held at yet another 5-star hotel, Holiday Inn in Goa in September 2017. The third time I received the award was during September 2018 Club Royal held at a 5-star hotel, La Méridien, Kochi, Kerala. Getting qualified for Club Royal is an achievement by itself, as only successful people across India qualify and attend the 3 days and 2 nights event at a 5-star hotel with luxurious amenities where award ceremonies, DJ nights, fashion shows, mega lucky draws, mega jackpot, sumptuous breakfast, lunch and dinner, sightseeing, etc. takes place. Being the Platinum Champion, on all 3 occasions, I received the prestigious award at the hands of our MD, Mr. David Stanley, and also got an opportunity to share my success story each time. It's a unique experience, and whoever qualifies once for the national event, Club Royal, will always strive to qualify and be a part of this event every year. My second best moment at Helux, I would attribute it to the various promotions I have received. Being from the corporate background, I know very well the number of years it takes for a person to grow up the ladder. Taking my case itself, I started as an accounts assistant, and the highest level reached by me in 28 years was the position of Group Senior Manager, Finance and Accounts. But in Helux, with a work at leisure and earn with pleasure culture, I have crossed 13 promotion levels and reached the area director level. Around the time when I got promoted as branch director, there were discussions on to start operations at Ahmedabad, and our area director, Mr. Shireen, put forth this plan to me, mentioning it to be a wonderful opportunity to grow in a new area. Later on, learned that this idea was mooted by our MD, Mr. David Stanley, and Regional Director, Mr. Girish, and was channeled appropriately through my Area Director, Mrs. Shireen. So the very few important persons close to my heart who has played a great role in my movement to Ahmedabad are my wife and kids, my close family friend, Mrs. Shireen and Mr. Parvez, my Regional Director, Mr. Girish, and our MD, Mr. David Stanley. It was a real tough decision to leave behind my 50-year stay at Mumbai and migrate with family to a new city. We moved and started our Ahmedabad operations in July 2017 as a branch director, myself, and my wife, Mrs. Preeta, as a Sapphire director, who later on became the Diamond director. With no known context in this new location, we started from the grassroots level to recruit and build up a team. On 10th February 2018, another branch at Naurangpura, Ahmedabad got opened with Mrs. Arjuman as the branch director for Ahmedabad 2 branch. Subsequently, on 27th Feb 2018, my wife Preeta was promoted as branch director to take on the reins from me and handle the H1 branch. This led to my promotion as business development director. Around 14 months later, on 12 July 2019, one more branch opened up at Gota, Ahmedabad, and Mrs. Padmini, who grew up within Hilux, was promoted as the branch director of AH3. With 3 branches under me, I was promoted as area director for Gujarat area. This definitely stands as a great memory if I recall the helplessness after my illness, and with my strong determination to succeed with ample support from my wife, kids, and the 2 great personalities, Regional Director Mr. Girish and Managing Director Mr. Stanley, for whom I have tremendous respect. So, when you have a strong leader who shows the way, paves the way, and leads the way, what you need to do is just believe the leader and follow his path of success. My third best moment at Hilux is winning the car at the mega jackpot held at the first Club Royal at Goa. After moving to Ahmedabad, commuting to various places for conducting healthy cooking shows was a horrendous task, as the various demonstrations held were at distant places, which were 15 to 35-40 kilometers away from the house or office, and our dependency was totally on Ola cabs. Obviously, the travel cost became a cause of concern. This is when Lady Luck smiled when I won the Renault Kwid car at the first mega jackpot during the first Club Royal at Goa, September 2017. There were tremendous celebrations in the hall when my name was announced, and everyone was seen pushing their way to congratulate me and my wife. Tears of joy kept rolling out of our eyes. When we called our children to communicate this happy news, they were speechless for a moment and were extremely happy to hear this unbelievable but true news. In March 2018, we took delivery of the fully automatic Kwid car in the presence of our Regional Director Mr. Girish and few of our team partners. Fortune favors the brave, and when a wholehearted winning attitude for success is made, God also blesses you with His support. This car, my first car, has now become an integral part of my family, supporting us for all demonstrations, deliveries, and pleasure trips. As rightly said, we never plan to fail, but we often fail to plan. But God's plan for us are always the best. Success comes from team efforts, and I have my Mumbai team from GFAs to area directors, as well as my Gujarat team from GFA to branch directors to thank. Also a big thanks to a great visionary leader, Mr. David Stanley, and a great motivator, Mr. Girish, for providing me an opportunity to capture my happy and best moments at Hilux. I love Hilux. It's awesome at Hilux.